Discovery friends! Have you ever looked outside the window or outside at night into the sky? You can see stars and some clouds, but what stands out most is the moon. Sometimes the moon is big and bright. Sometimes it's a skinny little sliver, and sometimes you can see half of it or just a little bit of it. Very interesting, right? Well, today we're going to find out how the moon changes its shape. Discover. Today's materials: picture board, rotation wheel, a pin, a cap, and tape. All right, get your picture board and your rotation wheel ready by popping out all the little holes like this. Ta-da! Okay, and we have lots of holes on the back side of our picture board, so pop those all out too. Okay, make sure you get every single one, okay? And be sure you get the small little hole that's in the middle. Ta-da! Let me show you from this side too. Okay, ta-da! And this one last one right here. Nope, okay. Okay, I think we're done. So it should look like this, right? You can see the holes better on this side, right? Okay, now we're gonna take the wheel, and this is the front side, this is the back. Now line it up together like this, okay? And if you line it perfectly, you should see the hole. See the hole right here, okay? Now we'll take the pin, put it in the middle, like so, right? If you flip it over, you'll see the pin here. Take the back side and put it on top, and push until you hear a snap. I'm going to put this down. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. All right, good to go. Should look like that. And if you look this way, you should be able to flip it. Good to go. All right, now, if you look at the sides, there are many sides that fold. You want to fold all the sides, the bottom. Okay, and then we want to put it together like this. And then we want to tape it together here and here using your tape. Using your tape, we want to go push it down, and let's tape it down. Okay, another piece of tape. Tape this side down. Good, and then more tape here, this corner, together, and one more piece, okay, up here. All right, we're done, all right? The changing moon. This time, watch how everything changes little at a time, all right? Ready? Okay, I'm going to take this side, and we will watch how the moon moves, okay? There's the next one. And then it disappears, and then it comes back. And then next one, this size. Wow! And this one cycle happens once a month. Think why. So let's take a look at the different moons. First, we have a new moon. That's when you can see almost nothing. But then when it starts up again, ta-da! You see this little part. It looks like cheese, right? Okay, we call this a waxing crescent moon. That's when it starts and it gets bigger and bigger, right? This is the first quarter moon. And then even bigger waxing gibbous moon right there. And then we have a big fat full moon. Next time, try to look in the sky and find a full moon. When you have a full moon, it's very, very big because it's so close to the earth. Then we have a waning gibbous moon, a last quarter moon, a waning crescent moon, and then it disappears again and starts all over again. This full process, I said, takes almost a month, and this is called a revolution. Revolution means one full time around. Okay, the part lit by the sun keeps changing sizes, as you can see. These positions, it depends on where the Earth, Sun, and Moon are, and then where we're watching it from the Earth. Think more. Now, I told you one revolution is one spin, right? Well, the Earth's spin causes day and night. So when your side of the Earth faces the sun, this is when it's daytime. And when it's dark again, that's when your side of the Earth is away from the sun. That's nighttime.